Wash your hands. All right, today we're going to bring a nice little step stool. If you guys can see it, it's a couple of inches off the ground. It's about 3 inches off the ground. Now, let me show you something very important. In the bottom, it has these nice grips, all right? And it's equally evened out for even floors, all right? Now, they have cushions here, so it won't slip off if you put it in the bathroom or maybe a hardwood floor. Now, one of the best things I like about this is that this thing glows in the dark, all right? So it needs to radiate from the sunlight or light first, all right? And at night, you're gonna see it nice and bright. I actually had to flip it around the other day because it was really bright. It's perfect for those that are trying to get up on their bed and they can't see the steps or the bed's too high. This is perfect. Now that we're getting a little older, this is maybe something you want to maybe look into. Not just for the bedroom, but also for the bathroom and other places. Look at this thing glowing. So you can see it at night. Really simple. So when you're coming in, take off your shoes, step here, look at that. You can even see it through there.